So, good morning everyone. I'm very happy to be here to present you our project. So we are the team Baby Goats, and today we're going to present you KAWA. So after analyzing a bit the market of coffee in the US, we discovered that it was a growing market, actually one of the biggest growths in the food industry. And we realized that people needed more coffee, good quality coffee, but at cheaper price. So we came up with the idea of selling coffee vending machines in the US. We know it was a challenge because the image of coffee vending machine is not very popular at the moment, so we try to change a bit the design of our machine and the features so it would suit American needs. Our value proposition is we will sell fresh, good quality coffee at cheaper price, and as it's a coffee vending machine, it will be 24/7 available. The market will be first New York, but then you will see, due to our target segmentation, we would want to expand to a national level, and we would directly compete with coffee shops like Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, but local shops as well, and dailies. And our potential target segmentation before the implementation part was travelers and workers. Regarding our revenue stream, we would make money first out of our coffee vending machine by selling coffees, but as it will be very high-end technology, we will also offer advertisement space. We had great resources to lead that project because we've got a very skilled team, because we've got 4 Chinese in our team that have contact with suppliers for the coffee vending machines. We also have marketing and design skills. We are a multilingual team, international, and we've got a mechanical engineering background with Liam. And regarding the investment, the initial investment would be by our team members, up to 48K. And then for the future expansion of our project, we would do a crowdfunding.
Here we do our implementation task. Going to work, we divide it into
And after we set up our hypothesis, we did a pre-implementation of 6 people of interview. And the people we interview range from people below 18 to people over 39. And most of them are employees. And those interviewers told us they consume 2 to 3 coffees regularly per day, and they consider quality, price, and availability as their main criteria when they purchase coffee. So these people reassure that they have a recurrence in purchase of our product, and those quality, price, and availability is the target customer of our product, KAWA.
Now, me again. We divide our implementation working into 3 different parts. Now let me introduce you the supplier contacting. We contact dozens of the suppliers, and we physically visit one coffee vending machine company. It's called V Coffee, which is run by a Chinese businessman. And we visit their warehouse because we want to get more the tendency of the existing market, and also negotiate about the price. And then we figure out that they can provide us a pre-order system with the coffee vending machine. And now it's very popular in Chinese and Korean market, and with a very reasonable price. Let's go to the customer.
So finally, what we did as our implementation, we've been to Penn Station actually, and we've been kicked out from the policeman that said it was impossible to offer our coffee there. So we moved to Times Square, and finally we got some funny pictures about like the people we got. We've got plenty of cartoons, as you can see, Disney characters. We've got different engineers, workers, sales, retail people around here, and we've got some very valuable feedback from them regarding their test, regarding their expectation about the prices, and you will see this in the validation price.
Then we went to a Grand Central and a World Trade Station. Because those 2 stations is the biggest station in New York, we get a lot of important information from those 2 stations. One is they already have the coffee retail shop. They can provide coffee, but you still wait, and it costs almost $5 to get one coffee. Then we ask the staff and the manager, we get the information. In World Trade Center, we already have a vending machine, but it's a Pepsi company. We already have a contract with this company. So you're not allowed to implement your vending machine here, but you can rent a retail shop space in our station. You must pay money. You can sell, do your business. So we find important include. If you want to implement the vending machine in those two stations, one, we must beat the Pepsi company. Then we need to design a quality vending machine in those two stations. That's the two stations gave us the important inspiration.
So from our implementation, we got quite good feedback. Actually, we found that 40% of workers asked for a coffee initiatively, like the Batman and Mickey we saw before. And also, we found that most of the workers go to work by subway and train, and that's why we went to the subway to implement our location finding. And very luckily, we got land like the quality of our coffee, the taste of our coffee, and they also are willing to pay $3.50 for a customized coffee. Most importantly, we got 90% of the people who are willing to try our coffee on the vending machine. So we confirm that our target customer is workers, and we are going to design our machine as for people can directly look into the machine, and they can see that the coffee beans are grounding inside, because we validated that people are sensitive to this design. And later, we are also going to make customer able to customize their coffee. We're also able to find a place to implement our coffee machine. For future validation, we are going to find more appropriate locations to implement our machine, like for the officer, public buildings, and some public spaces. Also, we were not able to find a place where the construction workers are not busy to talk to us. So in the future, we are going to find some available construction workers, and we will confirm their needs, whether they have their needs on our machine or not. So thank you, and we are very good.